Hi everyone, I'm back. I don't have a super big plan this time again. I put a look up on Instagram yesterday because I was just playing with makeup. I only intended on cleaning off my vanity. It turned into creating a skull. And I'll input the picture right here. Jamie, edit. It turned out kind of cool because I'd never really done one. I'm wearing like this skull. It's like a long dress, like a bodycon dress. Yes, I have bones. Sure. I have kind of an idea. I have like a few pictures. I think I'm gonna do like the mask kind of skull thing. And I'm gonna add a few different things. I have like my little, makeup thingies. This is going to be a fast forwarded thing, so I think this is going to take me a lot longer than what I think it will. I don't know if the lighting is okay, because on my ring light, I changed it from just the white one, because it seems like my videos have been like way too bright and you can't see like what I'm doing. So it also came with this orangey type thing, so I think that's showing like better color. I don't know, I hope so. So I have a silver. I do have a black. I don't know if I'm going to use it per se. I have a white. So I think I'm going to mix white and silver because I kind of want this to be silvery. Because I do have a red because I want to add some blood or whatever. And I do have black, so I have to open this one. So I was going to film this yesterday after I had done one. I was like, oh, that's really fun. But the silver didn't get to me until today, about an hour ago. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. This is just me winging things, so I probably should have it way more planned out than what I do. But this is just kind of how I do things. I'm gonna pull back my hair. I just straightened my hair. Oh, what a shame. I'm gonna pull it back. I'm just gonna go. I don't know. But I hope that you enjoy whatever I come up with. I don't know. Super fun though. I have brushes. Oh god, there's so much stuff. I'm gonna pull up my hair. I'll see you on the flip side. That's pretty. Okay. And that concludes this. What do you think? There's cracks everywhere because cracked skulls, why not? And the little, you know, I think that's a good touch if you're gonna do it. And then just traditional bat wing, you know, it's like a skull mask. I wish I could like back up and show you. Like then you have like the whole thing. Awesome. Thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun. You should try it. That was wicked fun. Yeah, maybe I'll do more tomorrow. I don't know. But happy Halloween. This is great. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to see more. Look, I put like blood. Share it. Thank you. And remember to be kind, put some color in your world, and stay humble. Bye, guys.